Hey guys, welcome back. Spring is in full swing. It's 75 degrees out here. It's the warmest day of the year so far. Unfortunately, we're going to be getting back down into the 40s and 50s next week. So we're going to take the opportunity to get a lot of our stuff done that we need to out in the yard. A lot of our early spring trimmings and fertilizing, everything we need to get done. We're going to try to get it all done today. So I'm going to take you along with us. We got the boys outside, so you'll see them out here with me, and let's get started. And we're going to bring little baby Edith with us. About halfway through the black raspberry bushes, and I have to just point out, good gloves are extremely important. These are Carhartts. They're C-grip, but they have an anti-cut and puncture on the hands of the palms and the fingertips, so that I can actually just grab a hold of all the thorny vines and just rip them right out. But cutting them all back, making sure we're only getting the dead stuff while keeping some of the good stuff from last year. That's where we're going to get our berries. We want to thin it out as much as we can, about 2 or 3 per actual plant, or 3 to 4 per plant vine still growing, and that's where we're going to get our fruit, and eventually those will die back, new stuff will come up, and that's what we'll grow on next year. But we want to try to thin it out as much as we can, because we got to be able to harvest it and get to it. So I am strategically cutting stuff back so I can actually get in there, and I want to keep everything away from the side here to make sure that I can get through here with the lawnmower without getting snagged by the one of the vines. Now it's cleaned up the best that we can get it. I got a little path in here on the other side, all cut in. So now around each root system, each set of plants, I'm going to be using a garden tone and give it a fertilizer. Just going to sprinkle it around the base of each one of these little plant sections. So really guys, that's gonna be it. We still have some work left to do out here to prep for spring. We're gonna be going to getting our compost from Stony Island. We're not gonna be doing that today in today's video, but I did create enough avenues and enough doing the mound system a lot of times, what you do with pumpkins. I use that method for starting out a lot of our seeds for our squashes and some of our beans. And what I'll end up doing is backfilling around that area with fresh compost and mixing it in as close to the center of those plants or those areas as I can. And everything's planted pretty shallow, so a small layer on top will be just fine. But we've got just about everything in that we need for our workable soil time. We do have a lot of direct sow stuff that will be going in after our frost date, which is about 2 weeks away. You wouldn't be able to tell that based on the weather. When I first started this video, it was about 75 degrees. Now it's about 50 degrees and super windy. But that's gonna be it. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.